Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day with product launch jacking in 2020. Yes, this method absolutely does still work in 2020. And I'm going to share with you some really great results that our students are getting with this training. First of all, I wanted to share with you Muriel and Dirk Wasterbergen, their results with this training on launch jacking. They just posted this on February the 1st. So they've gotten so far 3 sales. You can see each sale is like around $460. So congratulations to them. This is really exciting because again, this absolutely does work. And then I wanted to share with you Jonathan Montoya. He just posted this today. Congratulations to Jonathan. He's doing such a great job, and he has made over $12,000 with this launch jacking course. You can see his results here. He's actually, because of the rebills, he's going to be making $12,000. And then if we scroll down here, we have someone else's results here. This is Evan Eugene Wong, and they got 1 sale, $420. So yes, they're very excited because once again it proves that this works, and they can't wait to see more sales coming in. So what is launch jacking, in case you don't know? It's basically looking at courses that are going to be coming out, going to be launching. There's 2 different websites you can go to. This is the first one. It's jvnotifypro.com, and you just scroll down to the very bottom here and you'll see all the product launches that are going to be coming out. You want to pick one that's a little ways off to give you some time to do the pre-launch video, so at least 10 to 14 days out, sometimes longer, so you can see like the next one. Let's see, today is February the 12th, so we'd want to do one at least into March. So there's one here, March the 3rd, fade. This one here, Video, I don't know how to say that, Fade to Black. This one here, AMZ Live Loop, that's March 25th. That's the first website. The second one is Munch Eye, and these are ones that just launched. You can see over here. And this one, these are products that are going to be launched, or all the launches here. The one that we're talking about, let's see if it's on this one here. It was the Kibo code is the one that our students got all the results from. But you can see on here how much you'll make for the commission and the percentages. So these are 2 websites that you'll look at in order to get the products to review. You want to make sure you're picking the right product. That's where I want to share with you the training that will help you to do that. And then you will create a pre-launch video explaining the course, and then you'll do a launch video once it comes out and create bonuses. And that's exactly what these students did here to get these kind of results that they got here, and Jonathan here as well. So again, you're making sure you get ahead of a product that comes out, and I'll tell you that whenever I go to buy a product, I will do a review. I will do a search on YouTube to see if they have a review on it. And if you can get up there at the top of the YouTube search and be one of the first people to have a review out, that's good. And you don't always have to just do your reviews on YouTube. You can also put it on a blog, like Blogger is a free blogging site. You can see that I have all of my videos here on my blog, and then I have another blog, a WordPress blog, KarenMerrill.com, where I have reviews on here as well. You can see all the reviews that are on here. So if you'd rather do like a blog post, that's fine too, but you want to have time to get it to rank. That's why you want to do it at least 10, 14 days ahead of time. And then again, you'll just do a review on it and create bonuses, and that's what gets people to purchase, is the bonuses. Also that you give value and you do a good review. So I wanted to share this training with you because, again, it absolutely does work. You may not make $100 a day, but it's absolutely possible. I mean, Jonathan made $12,000 in a month. That's about $400 a day. And it's something where you can continue to get better at it, and you can pick as many as you want. You can do one product launch after another and have like your whole YouTube channel be about product reviews, and people appreciate it when they get a good review. I have a lot of people coming to me saying they really appreciate all the reviews that I do because it helps them make a decision if they want to buy it or not. So I wanted to share this with you if you want to get this training and learn how they were able to do this, because you really want to know what you're doing, obviously. And Joshua Elder is the creator of this product, and he himself made well over $10,000 with this product launch. So, that's like a full-time income for most people. So if you want to get this training, I have a link. This will be the first link in the description below the video, but you just put your email address in here, and it'll take you to this page here. Now, he does not have a direct link to the product launch course. So what you want to do is go ahead and do this payment of $7 because it's going to take you to the members area. And there's all kinds of things in here. This is just like a 1 week trial, and you can cancel if you want after that if it's not the right thing. But for me, his training has made me more money than all of the years combined that I was marketing online. And his tube traffic course is inside of this membership area that you'll get for $7. And I've made tens of thousands of dollars with that training. So even though you can't have a direct link to the product launch, I would say go ahead and get the $7 one-time payment to get into the membership area, and then there'll be an order bump for $37 for the product launch training. And what you'll get in that is he'll give you an overview of, explaining exactly what product launch profits is and how you can make money with all these new products coming out all the time. And then he'll give you a game plan on how to do it, the tools that you're going to need. You can do it for free. I mean, if you do it on YouTube, you can do screen capture. I use Camtasia and be able to show your screen. There's a lot of free software out there for screen capture if you want to use that as well. And then he explains exactly what you say in your pre-launch video, exactly how to do it, when to put the video out, how to get your links to your affiliate offers, and then how to do the review video, and then how to create bonuses. And again, that's what makes people purchase from you, is the bonuses, because there's going to be a lot of people out there doing these reviews, and you want to set yourself apart from other people. But again, this absolutely does work, and I wanted to share it with you because it's a way that you can really make some good money this year in 2020. Obviously, you're going to have to put some work into it. No guarantees, but this does work if you do exactly what Josh says. So I hope you guys found some value in this and how to make $100 a day with product launch jacking. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.